Need to start a new Excel file? I will show you the easiest way to create a new workbook in Excel, plus 2 faster methods you can use later. When you open Excel, you will usually see this Start screen. To create a new workbook, click Blank Workbook. Excel opens a new blank file right away. This is your workbook. The big grid is where you type your data. At the bottom, you will see a worksheet, usually called Sheet 1. At the top, Excel may show a temporary name like Book 1. Book 1 simply means the file has not been saved with a real name yet. Now, let's say Excel is already open and you want to create another new workbook. Click the File tab in the top left corner. This opens the file area called Backstage View. On the left side, click New, then click Blank Workbook. Excel creates another new workbook for you. This method is useful when you like using menus or when you are already working inside Excel. The other fastest method is the keyboard shortcut. Hold Ctrl, then press N. Excel instantly creates a new blank workbook. If you already had another unsaved workbook open, Excel may call this one Book 2, Book 3 or another number. That just helps Excel tell the unsaved workbooks apart. You can also start from a template. Templates are ready-made workbook designs like budgets, calendars, schedule, or report. Choose a template, then click Create. Excel make new workbook based on that template. For beginners, I recommend starting with a blank workbook first. Once you are comfortable, templates can save time. Here is the most important beginner tip. Creating a workbook does not mean it is saved. If you still see Book 1, your file probably does not have a real name yet. To save it, press Ctrl S or go to File, then Save As or Save. Give the file a clear name like XcelTips _practice. Then choose where you want to save it. Click Save. This helps you avoid losing your work and makes the file easier to find later. Quick recap. From the Start screen, click Blank Workbook. If Excel is already open, click File, New, then Blank Workbook. For the fastest method, press Ctrl and N. And after creating the workbook, save it with a clear file name. Continue building your Excel skills with Excel Fundamental playlist or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.